TransUnion has clearly been the right decision for Buildium. There was one decision that was really critical to find a partner like TransUnion that not only had best-of-breed product, but also best-of-breed customer service to keep iterating with us and adjusting the value to our customers over time.
It was one of our first decisions, and it's turned out to be one of our best ones. They have not only a great product, a great service, they have great customer support, and they also have the scalability to take our startup from just what that was, a startup, to onboarding over 1,000 landlords a month and really allowing us to scale without me losing sleep at night that we're going to need to change providers.
This is a very risky business where you're lending out a property that is worth thousands and hundreds of thousands of dollars. When you have a leader in the industry such as TransUnion SmartMove, you have a leader helping you make that one decision.
Choosing SmartMove is the one simple decision that we never regret and help Redpad to complete the end-to-end marketplace and also make our renter easier.
It's been a great decision. I can wholeheartedly tell our users that we have the best screening solution, we have the best partner.
TransUnion has revolutionized the background screening industry.
This was the one decision of choosing TransUnion, has been great for our customers, and our screening business has grown about 80% a year since we've been working with TransUnion.
I really enjoy working with TransUnion, and if you're gonna make one decision, I highly recommend TransUnion.